Welcome back. Today we'll be gutting the rest of the FRS. We're going to start by taking out these seats. Last video I gutted the trunk out. I'm going to remove everything out today to replace that wiring harness that runs from there all the way to the front to right there and under the carpet. So everything needs to come out. I'm going to try to beat some of this rain. It looks kind of bad out here. But to start off with, front seats, yeah, there's still water there. Put a rock in here to submerge it because it just went under the carpet. So yeah, it's probably just gonna be best to remove the seats and just vacuum this whole out. Clean off this carpet outside to get like the moldy smell. I can't smell. I don't have a sense of smell. I don't know why. It wasn't because of COVID. So this really doesn't affect me, but everybody that's opened up this car has said it smells like straight up shit in here. So I apologize. Anyways, 4 bolts. It's a E-Trucks. Oh, these are weird. Really never use them. It's an E10. 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Both sides, and then everything else pretty much comes out with a 10mm or a screwdriver. But I'm gonna put down this phone and get these seats out. Backs, that's a 10mm on both sides, and it just unclips. These as well back here, but let's get to it. So the seats are out. It's disgusting in here. Now you're just gonna need a 10mm, a flathead, and a Phillips. This right, you just pry off with your hands, really easy. Start from the bottom, from this corner, work your way around. And now you're gonna take this Phillips and go in here and undo that one and that one. And that should pop this off, and it'll give you access to the 10mm are right here to pop this out. And then there's 2 10mm holding this right here. Pop this out, undo the connector, get under here. There's 2 Phillips, 1, 2, and 2 10mm right here, 1, 2, and this just comes right out. And then back here, I think these are gonna be 13mm, and that just pops out. Same thing right there. There's one right there and one hiding right there. And this just pops out. And that's basically all your center console and your rear seats and your front seats. And then your carpet's mainly being held in by clips. There's one over there, and a few under here. You just pull this right up. Like literally just unclip those and it just slides right out, and boom. And then we can start with cleaning out the water. And we're gonna fully vacuum, shampoo, and condition this carpet and slide it back in. So I'll check back in once this is out. So the center console's out. Not too hard, just a lot of bolts everywhere. There's 2 here, 2 here, 2 over there, and you had to take off 2 right here and 1 up there on both sides, of course. Center console's right behind me. Also, don't forget to unplug your cigarette lighter or charging port, whatever they call it now. And now I went ahead and took off the visors, unplugged my dome light and this thingy. I'm about to drop this headliner out. Got in my face. All right, step out of here. All right, rip those wires off. It's kind of hard with one hand. Fuck it. There we go. Cool. Got some more over there. There we go. On out of there. There we go. Nice. And action got su madre. Sorry, it's going on YouTube. Let the intrusive thoughts win. Let's see. Híjole. That's a crispy John. Alright, let's see what it did to the roof. Oh. Damn, I should have. I mean, I really don't use my radio, so it doesn't even matter. I could delete this. But damn, Hey, cook that John. Cook that John up. Look at that. Yeah, and not too mad about it. I'm probably just gonna remove it. Fuck on out here. That, I'm gonna keep that. Of course, I'm gonna keep it bolted on. I need to get one of those fish shark fin ones to cover that up, because that's ugly. Oh man, my stuff. I should maybe not be as destructive. Yeah. All right, cool. Next step will be to remove the seats, and then we can get the carpet out. All right, I started pulling out the carpet. I forgot to say there was a Phillips right here. It's easy. You just push the tab over, unscrew it, pull it out, screw that back on. Don't lose your hardware. This is mainly just clips in, so just pull it, pull. There's a clip here, clip there, clip over there. I already pulled these clips out. Just pull them. If they break, like mine, like an idiot, just buy some more. They're not that expensive. Look online, order these. Don't buy these from AutoZone or O'Reilly's. They're expensive. So yeah, just pull everything out. It's going pretty smoothly. I need to work my way over to that side and just pull this carpet out. I'm almost done. I think I might just call it a day. It's 4th of July. That's kind of ugly. I need to let this sit out and dry or wash it first. I don't know. I'm gonna let this sit out for a little bit just because I know it stank. Take that side out now. Let's go move the rock. Also, these were a 10 mil. My other one is just spinning in there. I guess got cross-threaded or stripped, so I just ended up cutting it out. I'm gonna find a way on how to fix that later. Pull that off this side. Oof. This side's worse. All right. Got the nuts and bolts. Go out up there. Up there. All right, everything else can pretty much come out. Let me take this rock out. Wow. This rock is heavy. One-handed, maybe? Yeah. Sorry, I hit the button whenever I dropped that. So just go ahead and start pulling everything out. Just a few more clips over there. One of mine broke. I'll find out if that's important or not later. So I might just go ahead and put the camera down since everything's already loose and pull this out, and I'll grab you guys in a minute so we can check out the damage. Hold on, let me try something out. Kind of see, it's not the best view, but it's a view. There you go. Let's pull this carpet out. Ooh. Stinky water. Ow. Going out that way. Watch the break. There we go. It's nasty. It's so wet in here. All right, last leg of it. We're gutted. I found a golf tee. I don't even play golf. That must have been from the previous owner. Oh, what is this? Costa Rica. ¿Cuánto es? 500. Got 500. Let's go into the fun. Oh, that. So yeah, maybe if you do this on your own, you should probably take your time because a lot of my clips just went out with the carpet, so now I need to search for those. Don't use me as an example of what not to do, but I might just go ahead and give this a nice cleaning. Oh look, I've never been to Dave & Buster's, but my car has. Oh, it's rusty. Alright. Yeah, no, I think I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum all this water out because I don't want to get any more rust. Jesus. Yeah, we're gonna... There has to be a drain plug somewhere around here. Has to be. I'll look for it. I'm just gonna throw that out that way. To take out the back seats, it was just two 12mm bolts. And that should just pretty much let you get free to pull this part out, because that's just being held in by clips. So I should probably be wearing gloves, but fuck it. It's probably baked on there. Oof. Why is it disintegrating like that? I mean, it got burnt, but this is so ugly. Plastic got melted on there. Fuck. Got a scraper. There you go. See, it just pulls right out. Told you guys. For the most part. Alright. Let's see what we got. It's like a very awkward position for me to be in. What is this? Is that important? Because I did not buy that. I don't know what that is. It might be important. And this. There we go. That's that. I'm probably gonna come in here with like a wire brush and clean all that off before I install anything. I'm also gonna take this whole wiring harness off too. Alright. Okay, so that's pretty much it for today. I'm not gonna tear down anything else. Because it is 4th of July, I wanna at least have a little bit of chill time. It's okay. Alright. Next on the list is probably just to vacuum all this water out and call it a day. I feel like we did pretty good progress. So again, I forgot to hit record. My neighbor let me the shop vac. Just quick recap. They let me this shop vac, vacuuming out all the water. I said I was gonna spray down some degreaser here real quick just to clean it up a bit, make it look nice, and just put some more water in there, clean it out. So I went ahead and cleaned out the inside. I just sprayed it down with some degreaser and some water, and then I vacuumed the rest of it out. And I got some rags and a sponge. You know, got it nice and clean. There's still some water back there. But I feel like we did pretty good progress on this thing. Let me get inside. So next time we're gonna be ripping out this wiring harness here, replacing that, cleaning the carpet, finishing gutting this out. I'm gonna get a wire wheel and scrape everything out, paint it. Yeah, definitely paint this, and then reassembly. Also suspension. Then you know I was running bags, so that's gonna be gone for a little bit. We will be back on coilovers. Nothing too fancy. I didn't splurge on coilovers. I do want to return back to bags, but that's for the future. For right now, we're just gonna keep it simple. But that's about it. See y'all next time.